What's up, ladies and gents? How we doing today? Yesterday or maybe today? No, yesterday or the day before. I don't remember because it didn't go live for 2 days. We've added the weather system, and we have the hitbox crate in the game too now. Doing it live. Cool. Yeah, so we've added hitbox, and we have weathers as well. We can quickly go look in game. So before we release the next update, we were gonna add. There's a couple of things I haven't done yet. So we want to change the tutorial as well. To not require them to hit the box. Ranking up on the prices. So there's a couple of things we're gonna quickly get Claudy Waldy to do. I'm looking to change the economy of the base resource gained per second. The packs from 2 onwards. That'd be the first thing we quickly get doing. Then have a little think. Yeah, so since last time we added weathers and the hitbox, right? So now we can hit this to decrease the time. I might remove the sound because it's not happening every time as it should. And then over here we have this. Oh wait, the weathers haven't showed up yet, to be honest. I'll quickly show them by going in here. So if I put it on like still maybe 15 just so I can show them off. Yeah, we added ice, like cold weather, warm weather, thunder, golden. Golden doesn't really do anything except give you extra money though. Yeah, I do plan to add more weathers as well in the future. I also might take golden out of the original random pool and then have that as like a weekend event type thing and give it more of a boost. But this box is pretty cool, I'd say, that we added. I was obviously going to make a Meshy AI do it originally, but then I just decided to use this, just this normal box with a little material telling you to hit it. Pardon me. Let's see if it's scanned through it that in time yet. No, it's still scanning through. I think it's in... Is it in here? Oh no, it's in pack type. Okay, let's see what it does. So, you say from pack onwards, let's say pack 1. Okay. Yeah, I think pack 1's money is fine. But yeah, which should we want to increase these quite a lot? Exponential curve, maybe? Increase income. Yes. I'm not really sure in terms of what to do, because some changes we also added was so that levels actually give you more income per second. Here's the thunder weather. I didn't change the sky or anything, but I think it still works. Alright, so where's my base? Yes. Oh, okay, never mind. We added a tiny multiplier on weather types, but then like a bigger multiplier on levels. So if you get multiple of the same cards, you get more money. Which I thought I already added, but I didn't. Let's see. Starting game. Come on. We need to still change that page thing at the bottom, because we still got that. Oh, we added a Misty pack as well. That's what's on right now. I think we do need to add like sounds. As well. But yeah, the packs will change to whatever type they've got. So yeah, it's kind of like I made it like similar to the Tycoon, where you get the explosion coming from it. I just thought it looked cool. The rain one. The rain one's pretty cool. But yeah, it's just missing audio, because right now it's just visuals. We do need to get this audio to be playing. It's not playing from the get-go. It to start, but it isn't. Do I just register them in here? Because it should already be working. Yeah. Oh, we'll do that deeper later in, I guess. Top card should be giving us like big money, to be honest. I want it even more aggressive than your current amount. So for example, let's try a 3x increase each time. Maybe that'll give us kind of what we want. Show what that would be per first card in each pack. But yeah, in general, I think some good improvements. I think we will add some kind of pickaxe thing in the bottom, so if they got the pickaxe one on, it will unregister them, so that they don't keep saying placing your plot. I'm thinking maybe even a 3x multiply wouldn't be steep enough though. So I've got like 40. Yes, still that's not that high. Let's try an 8x. Show me what it would be on 8x. Keep planning. Maybe we'll go 11x. I mean, I know this one's still the 3, but still. I see 3 people out here and nobody's chat. That's very sad. I might cry. Yeah, 3 or 11. Okay, no, yeah. 8, it goes crazy high. We'll go with 5 here. But now that we've changed this so that you actually get way more in the game, I'm gonna make it so that you get less from being AFK. So let's go, so you only get an hour, so 60 times 60. But your packs will still progress, but your like your money only will stop after an hour. I think it's reasonable. I can say it's probably reasonable. Okay, so can you also show me? Wait. For the 5x, show me the top card too. Yeah, we're gonna go with 5 then, because if it's giving us 1,000,000 per second, then that's like pretty decent. Obviously, with like all the multipliers, if you have like a high level card with weather modifiers on, it would give you like a good amount. Because right now it's at like what? Oh, we can't see. Yes, accept. We need to round up prices as well. I might add some more VIP shit. I don't know. Because obviously, money good. We like money. With these widgets, I need to add like maybe a kind of black outline on them, I guess. Just because it's kind of hard to see. Or maybe not even, wait, 1 sec. That probably works. Okay, what else is on the agenda? I'm gonna quickly check in changes. We haven't checked in a while, I think. Oh no, we did. We checked him before I went off yesterday. So next up, we want to round up the prices in the store. Or actually, let's take a look, right? Because I remember Dane just saying he like had enough but couldn't afford it or something. What's up, Jiggler? How you doing? Okay, we also want to change the intro flow. I want to change the introduction workflow. So I want to change the onboarding process. In the process, there is a part in which you have to skip a PAX timer. Let's replace that. Replace the text so it says hit the crate to speed up time, and change the action needed to be to hit the to subscribe to the to require the plots prop manipulator to be damaged. I don't know what else is we needing to do. I did want to make this an upgradable thing at some point, but it's not on the... I'm going to remove that sound as well. But it's not like top of my priorities. This one here, audio player 2, right? Yes. Oh, crate hit. Just delete it. Get rid of that. Oh, wait. But the area is kind of small. Yes, I'm thinking for... yeah, for this update, we're not going to add any new cards, but we're just going to like improve the entirety of the like loops and stuff. And then there's two HUDs we need to put on the screen. We need to put on one for if they've placed too many packs, and then one if their inventory at the bottom is full up. We just want to change that to say slot 2 for pickaxe. When pickaxe is hovered, unregister on the input trigger. I could have it do it all at once, but I'd prefer to see it, to write it individually, I guess. Or maybe this will be a nice test to see if it can do everything all in one go. I typically don't like to do everything at once, because if it makes a mistake, then it's a bit harder to figure out where the mistake was, in case it changed some like irrelevant thing. But most of the time it does it all good. So yeah, let's start Are you adding or fixing? Right now we're changing. This isn't a fix, it's just a change, right? So when you spawn in, you buy a pack. It'll tell you to skip it. But now I've added in this crate. I want them to hit the crate instead of skip it for the tutorial. So it's not a fix or an addition. This was an addition. It works all good. But yeah, it just means now the intro needs to change a bit. Should pay in general to skip still advance. Yeah, either action I guess works. How should the new step be called? Skip the opening. How should the new step be called? PKs are all caps. Yes, keep it all caps. You see, I actually played this quite a lot yesterday, while I was working on it. And yeah, the economy does need to change to give you a bit more money. And this is like a good addition. So there's something else to do other than just buy, skip, buy, skip. I don't think I have much like good audios for the weathers. So see, I kind of want to change the audio based on if there is a based on what the weather is, you know. So like, it wouldn't be this really nice, peaceful kind of music. When it's stormy, it would be like windy or something. Yes. Can you keep requesting for more cards? I found you could just smash the button until I got 7k packs. Can you keep requesting for more cards? I found you could just smash the button until... Wait, what do you mean? $7k will show up eventually. It's kind of rare, but it does show up. When you need a pack. Like, do you mean at a shop where you can buy the packs that you want? I was thinking of adding a shop to buy packs. But I'm not sure if that's what you mean. You know, like similar to these ones that will show up and let you buy this pack or that pack. What are you doing now? But it looks like it's intended. Yeah, this has to be free because you get it in the beginning. Oh, no timer. Well, I was actually gonna make the timer be more, but then you can upgrade it to be cheaper. I mean, upgrade it so that it becomes a smaller time. I was thinking of making it like 1 second, and then you can upgrade it 4 times, so it becomes super low. So then pack changes. No wait, card economy changes. Now I'm gonna see if it will, what happens if I change loads of things all at once. I don't normally do this just in case it makes a boatload of errors, but we want to. Okay, so in our upgrade stores, I want for the rounding to be to no actually. To 2 decimal places. I also want to make changes to the hotbar. Hotbar I no longer want for the next and previous page to be in the hotbar. I also want for the second slot in the hotbar to be a pickaxe sign. Be a pickaxe. When the pickaxe is hovered, it will unregister that player from the input trigger, but when they select any other slot, it will re-register that player. What else do we want to change? If a player's inventory is full with hot in their hotbar, right? Is full in their hotbar, and they try and pick up a new one, show a HUD message. We've already got one here for it somewhere. I don't know if it's incorrect or something, insufficient. Something money, I think. Use widget blueprint, no money. Show widget blueprint, no money. And say it's text to inventory full. I think that's most of the things I wanted to add. I'm expecting it to make loads of errors because it's doing loads of things all at once. But we'll see. We will see. But yeah, I'm thinking for Saturday because apparently people like, well, maybe not this Saturday because I think they're doing a new update, right? Fortnite ecosystem, new update. I don't know this update, right? When is this update coming out? Because updates used to be Wednesdays, right? May the 14th. So, okay, so I can still upload it this week, right? I don't know. When's the new update? Fortnite update. Oh, it's June. June the 6th. Okay, yeah, so maybe there's no point of updating this until people have played the new Battle Royale. I don't know. You know, so they're apparently, what was it? They're adding V-Bucks to if you didn't reach your payout for the year. But all that will actually do is lower the cost of V-Buck in terms of if you buy somebody's island V-Bucks, right? I think all that will do is lower the circulating amount, kind of like what they do with Battle Royale and Save the World V-Bucks. I haven't looked at this stats recently, or for a couple of days, I guess. Yeah, so this one's the clear winner. It's got 7% now. It wasn't like 10%, so it's gone down a bit more, but it's still obviously better than 5. So we need to change that and make a new one as well, so we can just keep A/B testing. So I might as well just look through it while it's reading all of that. So, I see CTI is obviously going down, which is no good. Impressions is staying at about the same. Okay, interesting. But yeah, it's still mainly followers, right? So it's like you guys playing it. We still got quite a big drop off in the first minute though, so that obviously needs a lot of changes. But I can't figure out what is wrong with the intro. Maybe they need like a tiny bit more money as well. Engagement. Links. Somebody came from a link. Huh. I imagine we got like no retention. Okay, that's pretty good. Somebody's replaying it, which is appreciated. Got like 10%. I think that's all of those ones. On transactions, we got 5, which is cool. I know 2 of these are Kakashi, but they're still cool. I'm thinking to add more of the V-Buck things, like a VIP one. And maybe like a weather shop, so you can just forcibly buy weathers for like 50 V-Bucks or something. But I also need to make way more weathers. Community channels. I need to make a community channel for this map. See, technical. We got like a lot of technical issues, I guess, because of being able to spawn in 1 billion packs, which I still need to fix that as well, actually. So anything else? Hit rate is fine apparently, so should have no verse errors as well. Sweet. Let's see what platforms these are from. PC. I feel like most of these PC problems were from you guys just spawning in 1 billion packs to see if it like makes it lag. And I know Ammo did that with his PlayStation as well. So I imagine it will say PlayStation on here as well. Handheld console, next gen console. Okay, interesting. Oh no, he said it made his PC turn into a jet, actually. Okay. So when the pickaxe is selected, which input should be unregistered, and then re-registered. Yes, the use. Right, 1 sec. Alright, let's go back. The use hotbar, yes. We will no longer need the previous and next page ones. Slot layout after moving the and making slot 2. What should the final layout be? Slot because 5 packs. Is that how many there is right now? 1, 2, 3 to 7. There's 8 here. So, slap, pickaxe, 6 packs. Confirm what remove next page means. Drop the 2 page flips. I want for the next and previous page to be done by the buttons. No longer needed. I no longer need the input triggers to do it. For the store cost numbers, how should decimals apply? Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, something to add more weathers as well, but obviously I feel like we've got all of the natural, normal life weathers in the game. So next would be adding things like... Why is there a cone in the middle of the floor? Where? If you're playing it right now, it's because that was a test version. Yeah, that was a test version. This is not in the current one right now. There's also a floating hand over here that nobody has seemed to have noticed. I'm gonna keep it there. It's like hidden lore. Yeah, I'm thinking we add like some kind of space theme. Cool weathers that I've seen in Roblox before, basically. While it's doing this, I'm gonna go refresh on my coffee. loud. Forgot my coffee, for fuck's sake. I could do this. U slap, but then it's 5. It's turn it into 6. The circle next to the top bar. Okay then. Yeah, keep them. Yes. Keep those input triggers. Sorry, my bad. Okay, back in a sec. Yeah, we're also going to change the balancing a bit of which packs are even able to be obtained in the beginning. So for example, you can get a silver one. It goes common, uncommon, rare. Yes, you could get a rare one a bit more easy in the beginning. And then I might also make these prices in here slightly cheaper. So the first one's like 50k. Or like 75k as well. Instead, rather. Should we try and add more into it as well? Let's see. I think we just let it do those first. We're gonna go look at the one that I seen before. Or no, we'll just go look at some other ones while this is loading. Doing its thing. I might, one sec. I'll put it on ultra, seeing as I've got the usage. May as well use it. How fun is the current season's theme? I'll just skip because I don't even know what the theme is, to be honest. Brain rot. So let's go look at the go up for brain rot. See what it has that's so good. And that we can use to obviously improve our own one. One thing I actually remember we need to add is a message at the top of the screen that says, obviously, what is it meant to say? Yeah, go like the, I don't know, the name of the game. Obviously, unpack a brain rot. Okay, so it has an upgrade shop. Wait, let me turn off my chat. There you go. That guy is fucking breathing deep. Has only 4 players. I guess that would help with like lagging and stuff. We might even reduce ours to only be 4 players. We will see. VIP to show up in the top right. That's cool. Mutation machine. Huh. This is interesting. He uses normal buttons. Well, this could definitely be like a custom button. Brain rot machine. Okay. So you can fuse them to get a rarer one. Collection. We've already got like a collection ourselves. Okay, premium shop. So this is where you can buy everything. I might add something like this too, just like a premium top shape thing. But we've already got one, so we'll see. And what's this? Rebus. I'm trying to think how Rebus would kind of fit into our map. Okay, no, there's 5 slots. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, what's up, Fallon? How you doing? Has your Roblox map been doing well? Or I don't know what it's called. Roblox experience, not map. What's this? Trading center. Okay. I don't want to add trading into mine. So it says go up for brain rots with like a rainbow brain rots. I'm surprised someone actually brought something from my game. Your Roblox one or your Fortnite one? Okay, so the only thing I'd really think about adding in here is Roblox one. Fire, man. Let's go. So like a VIP store and maybe another kind of upgrade store. Like a normal kind of upgrades, so they could upgrade their pickaxe and stuff. And then maybe just a premium store as well. I don't think we will need Roblox, not Roblox. I don't think we'll need rebuffs, to be honest. How long did your Roblox map take? Three to 4 weeks. Is that the first time you've been in Roblox though? So did you code this all with Lua then? Place. Pull the lever to spin your first slime. Okay. Is this based on Slime RNG's game? I played loads of Slime RNG, to be honest. It's based on Build a Ring Farm. Oh, okay, let's go. 300 V-Bucks. I would buy that, but I don't have 300 V-Bucks. Oh, no, okay, I do. Fuck it. There you go. I'm going to turn the game off now because I need to work on my thing, but there's 300 Robux for you. Alright, back to it. Oh, you got a second Roblox purchase. What was I doing though? Okay, let's go check if everything's working properly. Remember me when you're famous, man. No problem. I don't really play much Roblox anyway. They've just been sitting in my account forever. I think my sister got them for me at the beginning of the year, and they've just been sat in my account. So, how much Roblox do you even get from like purchases? You can use MCP server Claude to build Roblox games. Oh, for sure. So, what did Claude build? Did Claude build that for you? The Unity MCP server is crazy. I didn't know that the Roblox one was good as well. Let's go. I watched a guy called Duck something. I don't know. Duckable. This guy said that Claude was not that good in Roblox. I think it was. I don't know. It was one of these. Maybe he deleted the AI video. I thought this video was funny. Can I make a Roblox game with dementia? But yeah, I don't know. Let me get back on my channel. I used Codex, but they sucked it. Yeah, Codex. I'm not really sure about the other AIs, to be honest. I've only used Claude. Like back in the day, I used to use ChatGPT and Gemini, but nowadays they're just only good for image creation, in my opinion. Right, okay, so pickaxe. Okay, no wait, that's my fault. There you go. I need to just add in a pickaxe kind of material. Hotbar, HUD device. So pickaxe should be pickaxe. I should add in different varieties of the packs, because right now they're all just the same one. And I could probably add a new thing for that, but I don't think I need it. key. You see, it confused me a bit because it says pickaxe from the HUD. We're gonna remove that. HUD controller. What's it called? Name? Maybe item name? No, I do not want to see that. Because that confused me there. I had a template Tsunami Brain Rot. I used GUI and other things from that game and to make it better for my game. Yeah, I'm using Claude now since I bought a subscription. It's helping me a lot. Yeah, Claude is OP. I feel like right now it's still like really good, but in the next couple of years, I feel like you're gonna like have to use it because it's only gonna get better. So in a couple of years, it's gonna be able to do like everything you want, like instantly. And if you're not using it, then you're just gonna get fried. Okay, so now it should say hit the pack. Wait, it didn't say it. I swear it didn't say it right, did it? Okay. So, I should have checked the store as well, 1 sec. This is why I don't like doing multiple big edits at once. Did that work? Okay, that worked at least. Okay, so it seems that you erased the onboarding text prompts. I can no longer see the onboarding hint. Question, do you have any plan to make Kick a Brain Rot type game? And I hope your game gets viral, bro. I'm made mad at Epic when I saw you, Matt, didn't reach any audience. Do you have a plan to make a Kick Brain Rot map? I do not. I do have a plan to make a different Brain Rot map, but I want to get everything inside of it ready so that I can duplicate into something else really quick. I hope your game gets viral. Thank you very much. Yeah, I think Discovery is kind of cooked at the moment, to be honest. So we'll see. But for this one, I want to make this unpack a Brain Rot type game. I want to make this one really good first. And then once we've got this one to be at a good level, I'm going to turn this one to a different category as well. Because there's no point of turning this into a different category whilst it's still not as good as it could be. Because it did get like a tiny bit of discovery again recently. But basically none, right? Yeah, this was actually originally going to be called like Spin a Baddie or something. But I didn't make it. Yeah, so it did get a little bit more discovery. So first of all, it only went into discovery for 1 day for 64. And then it had 2 days without. And then it got 30. So still like less than 100. Oh, no. It got some yesterday as well. So yeah, it's like under 200 impressions, but you should make Unpack an anime. That was my original idea. If you see, I don't know how high quality the video stream is. But you can actually see that the project is called Unpack an Anime. Because that was my original, that was the original idea. But yeah, I was a bit worried about like getting IP banned or something. But yeah, once this is really good, it'll probably come next, to be honest. Because once everything's ready, all I need to do is change the textures of the pictures. And maybe change the environment a little bit so that it like feels a bit more anime type. But yeah, that is still in my like idea list, right? Because I've seen so many of the unpack type games on Roblox. There's like everything's on there because they're kind of easy to make, right? I've seen K-pop ones, anime ones, bloody TV stars, football stars, basketball, anime. There's so many different things, and they'd be really easy to reproduce. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure how it messed this up somehow. Yeah, Roblox is really I don't know the word, but they don't enforce IP like they're supposed to. Like Fortnite is much stricter with IP, which is like mainly a good thing, I think. Sometimes they get a bit crazy with the moderation. They over moderate, but in general, I think the IP is kind of a good thing. So people have to make unique things, I guess. I might change these guys to be brain rot characters instead of normal people. I should make one of them 6'7", right? I got suspended for a week for IP violation in the editor. Really? That's so stupid. I remember only one time I got like a moderation thing. It was saying that I was advertising other websites because one of my materials had a QR code on because it was like a mobile phone case. So there was like a pretend QR code on it. So then they flagged me and said, don't send people to other websites. Obviously, weren't intentional. It was a Cinti pack, actually, I think. And then it also happened in the shop horror that I made. To be honest, I still will probably update that at some point. This phone one. I thought it was a cool idea, but it obviously needs a lot of work to be an actual kind of game, I guess. But I thought it was pretty cool. I'm trying to think what else we need to do. Yeah, it's just mainly like adding an upgrade store, right, for normal upgrades. And then the VIP store. But the map's kind of not that big to be adding all this kind of things. Yeah, maybe we delete these lot. And then just extend this side a bit more. And then limit it down to 5 players instead of 8. And then over here it'll be easier to add like cool event stuff. Because my other map doesn't really get any players anymore. I'm thinking to add like for the first week to be something like grab some stuff from here. And then they can get like a special pack from completing it for the first time. I think that would be like a cool idea. Alright, let's see what it did wrong. Okay, so it seems to think that has everything correct. So let's just push changes again. Maybe I didn't see it. Well, I'm certain I didn't see it show up. It definitely didn't, right? Maybe it was because the game was minimized when I opened it. It does a lot of weird things if you have the game minimized when you open, which I don't understand. I'm thinking of making a brain rot map in UEFN, but I don't know how I'm going to make the brain rot hovering text. I checked the other maps there. I made it in material. Yes, so there's two that you can buy. I don't think anyone really does it for free. Somebody offered me it for free recently, but I already have both of the like paid versions. So Asion has one. He's been updating his. You see it like a lot. So that one's obviously cool. And then there's one by Jordan. What's it called? VFX Vault. He also has one. His is the one that I use, but I think it's got less of it's less good, I think. But it's just the one that I use. Because that one was, they gave out that one when I was in Map Academy as part of the Tycoon kit. So I just used that one mainly, to be honest. Okay, so go and pack some cards. That at least is showing. Buy a pack shows. Place, select in your inventory. Hit the crate speed at the time. Open the pack. Oh wait, yeah, open the pack. Collect money. Okay, so no, it does work. I don't know why it didn't work. Wait. Never mind. Seems to work. We can just close it then, I guess. What else do we need to do? Oh wait, the material didn't show as well, actually. Hotbar. So, let's take a look at this material instance. This probably is a UI material, I guess. And I forgot to make mine a UI material. Yeah, that's why. Okay. I was a bit confused why it let me select it, though. Yeah, I was thinking it let me select it, so why does it not work? But right, there we go. We don't even need any of these things. We're going to delete that one. We're going to duplicate this hand because the hand has a cool background on it. Yeah, I'm probably going to make a new one as well, or like a normal version. I already think I said about it earlier, actually, but I can't go into like details, I guess. Because we was going to make another map, but somebody else has already made it now. So I think we're not doing that one anymore. Let's go create some new packs as well. So I guess the first one can be grey. Grey works for the first pack. Because it goes common, uncommon. If we follow the Fortnite colours, that would probably work. Be appropriate, I guess. Card outline. Okay, so let's obviously keep with this, but then let's go duplicate it maybe. Card outline. We'll just call this one grey outline, and we will take away its colours. Like, just unsaturate it. So, saturation, 0. That looks horrible. Lovely, just what I wanted. Key. And then we change this to be like white. Or like black. Yeah, fuck it. Okay, and then pack 2 can stay. Yeah, we're doing Fortnite colors, so this one should be green. Yeah, green. I think we can obtain a green one by maybe doing a hue shift. I'm sure that would work. I'm also kind of wasting memory by using the 264 version. Because of how small it is, 64 would work. Yeah, that's like kind of what we want. And then yeah, optimization is going to be one of the things we need to do as well. And then next up is blue. Same, we've already got one blue, I think, no? One's already called blue. Okay. Just do it without the O. This one's like should be a dark blue, right? Maybe a little bit less brightness. Not that much of a difference. Yeah, fuck it. We'll just keep that at whatever it was. I was on 1. There we go. Oh, perfect. Okay, so blue and then purple. Purple, yellow, red, I think. Yeah, the higher packs can just remain as the red version. Alright. So let's duplicate. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. I should have just named this one 6. I mean, I wouldn't need to change anything, but that's cool. Card blue. Carlo, bye. Blue, blue, blue. What happens if I change this color? Nothing? Whatever. Purple. Perpy. Get a perpy. Card perp. Oh no, that's still blue. What have I done? Wait a minute. Is this one using purple? No, okay. Woody free kings of Orienta, fair gifts we travel afar. What's it, this way? This way. Which way is purple? There we go. Give me that, give me that. Yellow, hello, hello, hello. And this one can go back to red. I swear it was called card red outline. I didn't delete it, did I? Oh, it's just called card outline. No? What the hell? Okay, I do want that to be a little bit redder than it is. Sweet. Sweet these. Alright. There we go. It's looking good. And we change this one to be that one, of course. Oh shoot. Changed the wrong thing. I don't know what other changes we needed to make, to be honest. Hotbar fix. I feel like we fixed every bug. We added weathers, we added the box. The box does need to become an upgradable thing. Okay, next up we're gonna actually change the weighted the weight of the random rolls in the beginning. Hello. I want to now change the weighted rolls in the level 0 of luck and pack rarity, and make the luck and rarities first upgrade from 100k down to 50k, but maintain the same end price. Jealous people. Yeah, I was super tired today. I didn't really want to do anything. Push it real good. Yeah, another thing we want weathers in weather audio and more weathers. We need to create new pack meshes because I didn't update the 4th and the 5th ones as well. Actually, that should be a top priority. And maybe as well like a level up sound and HUD if the pack levels up. Because right now you can't really know without looking at the card wall. Although I'm not sure to add an audio that says level up or not because people that aren't English probably play as well. So maybe not an audio, but definitely a visual. And then yeah, obviously some kind of VIP thing. Right now we could go do the island code stuff at the top. I'll see what Gemini creates first. Can you create me a unpack a brain rot logo? It should contain some kind of packed card, a brain rot, as well as white writing and rainbow for the brain rot, as soon as I've seen that in the other ones. Okay. Maybe I add a class change here. That doesn't look right though, actually. I should remove the outline, that's the issue. I didn't see it when I was looking at it here though. Yeah, it doesn't really show here, but in game you can see it. Pickaxe, diamond. We'll use the one without an outline and it should get rid of the problem. And bow. Yeah, I think maybe a class change, but it's not that important. Or, oh no, an alternative is for the input trigger to for place pack, we have it to consume input. So then if we back out and back in, it won't do it. Yeah, so now it won't hit when we're not got it selected. Only if you put on the pickaxe. Oh no. It's still registered. It should be unregistered on it. It should be that when they're on here, it's unregistered them, but it seems that it hasn't unregistered them, right? Because it still says it on the left. Or maybe I don't understand how the register even works. So we can check it without doing any code changes real quick. If I link it up here, because maybe my understanding is wrong. If I unregister here, does it remove it on the left? No. And it also didn't unregister it anyway. Okay, whatever. Or I know what I could do actually. Team changer, right? Team selector. If we I'm typing it in there, but I don't even have them placed. Team selector. Right. I swear it's called team selector, no? Class selector. If we have them swap to just to remove their pickaxe. Base class. Duplicate. Okay, fuck you. Base class. Pickaxe class. So, base class is no class. Whatever. Class 1. And class 2. Class designer. The only thing I want to change is to have a pickaxe. And then if I change an island settings, start with pickaxe. No. Move these just to make sure it works how I want it to. Yeah, if it works, then we just okay, so I spawn in with no pickaxe. If I come here, I should get a pickaxe. Oh no, this one. Okay, so it does give you the pickaxe, but it doesn't equip the pickaxe. Equip. No. How do I force them to have it? Does that work? First item. Is my first item the pickaxe or not, I guess? That's the question. It's a bit, it's not very responsive. But it works. Great. So it wants to change it to this, which is like a little bit better, and this, which is like a little bit better as well. I think you just auto accept. Alright. Oh, actually, let's keep planning. I also want to have inside of the hotbar manager to use a class selector device. Give me 2 editables for class 1 and class 2. When they have not got the pickaxe selected, they will be class 1. But when they have the pickaxe selected, they will become class 2. Okiddy dokiddy. No, we just let it do its changes. One more thing I actually one thing I want to add is add like maybe a tiny bit more currency to begin with. On their first spawn they get 1,000, but maybe we increase that to like 1,200 or like 1,300 or something. Not a big increase, but like enough so that they can maybe buy some more shit. And then let's go and make a HUD. We're not going to do this with us, we'll just quickly create one here. While it's doing its stuff over here, we'll just go create a widget. What you gonna do with all that junk in your trunk? I'm gonna get you drunk. My house, my lovely lady just check it out. I think we create a stack box, right? That's the correct thing to do. Or something like that. And then we put it up at the top. And then we add images. Add an image, text, image, and then we make it say go unpack a brain rot. And I think we add this into a stat box as well, right? So we add a stat box with horizontal, and we add this stat box into that stat box. Or is that not possible? That is possible. And then underneath it we want it to say like oh, my Wi-Fi disconnected. What's going on there? It's because we didn't put it on vertical, that's why. So then we add text down here. Not into this one. Right? How do I get it? I'm so confused right now. I want it to be in the stack box beneath it. There we go. So now it says unpack, and then we put the brain rot in here. Can't spell. Lovely. Brain rot. Okay, so now we want this one to be on the right side. Is that how you do it? Fill? No. Fill. This on fill. Yes. Centered. This also centered. Make it smaller. Fill. Something like that works, I guess. And then we just zero that. Oh shoot. Zero that. Let's make the text big. Outline. Make that one like 5. Maybe we'll put the outlines to be 5 each. It does look kind of thick though. I'm shit at UIs, clearly. Do we have like a rainbow material? I think we have a gradient material, but it's not what I'm looking for. I want a rainbow. Okay, I might already have one. I already made one apparently. I don't remember what I made it for. I think I made it for the intro text, but then I decided it looked too unreadable. And then we just add some images of the brain rots we have. Which ones do I like? I like Fizzy Soda. Fizzy Soda's a fucking Chad. No, Fizzy Soda, you're too big. 128. 128. We'll go maybe 64. I think we made this text smaller as well. They look so bad. Shit. Yeah, I gotta learn how to even use this kind of shit properly, to be honest. We'll add a new image. We'll put it on 64 too. Who else is like cool as hell? Obviously, Chim Cheers has got the aura, but I think we got Pinelato Frutillarinho. What's up, Nevada? How you doing? I'm trying to think why this text isn't kind of sitting how I want it. Is it because of the padding? We can add padding, but I don't think padding was the reason why. I'm gonna delete these actually. Unpack a brain rot. That's what I want. I want less of a space though. We don't need 2 of those anymore, actually. Can I do like negative space? Yeah, okay. Great. And now I can add the images behind it. Just because I don't understand stack boxes as much as I probably should. Fizzy soda. And then we can add one of the cards here. Card 1. Uh-oh. Just accept whatever. I'm sure it's right. Card 1. Card 3. What did I call it then? Pack? Pack 3. There we go. I see you now. I want a kind of rotation angle. Yep. Pack up right now. And then we just have like, oh shit, come back, I want you. We add like the same kind of thing on the negative rotation, so like that. But then we add a different color. Pack 4. How does that look? Other than these weird black things appearing, I think it looks good. What does it? Now I'm second guessing it. I think, yeah, for the moment we'll just do something like that, see how that works. And let's see how it's getting along. Let's go add in the hotbar. Class 1, class 2. Wait, what? I didn't press compile verse. Before I do, actually, let's check in changes. In case it makes any mistakes. I should have done this beforehand, just because of now the updated version would have the broken code. Liverpool Tiger. Okay, hotbar. Class 1. Base class. Pickaxe class. Oh, I'm getting a bit of lag. We can move these devices now as well. We can turn the visibility off as well. Actually, if they're down here, the visibility don't matter, I think. Either way, we're still turning off. There we go. I don't know why the internet just keeps disconnecting. I'm probably going to actually end it here because it keeps disconnecting me. Subscribe. Appreciate you guys dropping by. And yeah, I'm going to upload an update for this map today. Or should be today. See you next one.